Hello my friends, welcome. I'm Elaine and today we are doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July, which is Botanical. So we are doing that on this page here. And my idea for this one is to use this and some paste to create like a wall effect and then have it all flowers. So we're going to make like a garden walls type thing. And then I have some of these that I would like to include it as well. There's some quotes about flowers. And then I will see what I can do to bring in the Regency element that I want to add to my spread. The paste gives this lovely rough texture that I really like, but it's not what I want for this. So I'm going to go over it with this gloss varnish to make it nice and smooth for painting over. I'm going to try this ink for my brick. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. I haven't tried this ink on this texture before, so we'll see. Not quite sure if the color is right for what I want, but we'll try this for our base. Hoping it will go into all the little nooks and crannies. The weather has been so humid today, it has taken forever for this to dry. This came out a little bit more purple than I wanted it to be. I was originally planning on using some stickers from this page, so one of these guys, but I think they're too purple. Maybe one of these. But I got this one then from this page, which has Botanical in it, so it might suit better. And these are all from this collection of stickers. And then I'm going to add loads of flowers from my collection here. Nice little stash of stuff. So I'm going to root through here and just start putting things down and see what we come up with. My plan for this was to have it like as an accent piece on the side. I have a lot of purple flowers, but I don't want to put them down. So this is what I made today for Botanical. My idea was like a garden wall, so a back wall with like flowers all around it, and then I didn't really manage to get the Regency theme in, unless this is kind of Regency, and flowers are very frequent in Jane Austen books anyway, so we'll just go with that. It's loosely tied into it. And the prompt then for Junk Journal July was Botanical, which this suits just perfectly. I love having this here. So this isn't dry yet, I'm gonna have to leave it for another while, but this is the way it is. So delighted with that. I really enjoyed making it, but because it's so humid here today, it really did take such a long time to do it for such a small page. But I'm happy with it. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next one.